This is a really easy song. Couch this one only has, I believe it only has 3 chords in it, and basically it's a C and an F and a D. I did a 2-chord song earlier in one of the other videos. I forgot what it was. It was a Neil Young, I do remember that. But anyhow, this is a Rolling Stone, and it's called "You Can't Always Get What You Want." And this is the progression in it. I don't know the words. I'm just going to show you the song. But it's basically a C, and you can use this C here, or you can use a full C. Okay, and it's got an F in it, and you can use the regular F like this, or you can use the full F with the extra note. Okay, or you could even use the full F like this. So basically, you can use any of the 3 Fs. Okay, and either one of the 2 Cs. Okay, and then there's a D in there. Basically, what you're looking at a C, F, C. However you want to make the chords. But it's these 2 right here, almost forever. And like, I don't know what the words are. I saw her today at the reunion. A glass of wine in her hand, and I could tell she was gonna make a reaction. Or I don't know, it's just these chords over and over like this. But staying hands. And even when the chorus starts, you can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. I said you can't always get what you want. Here comes the 3rd chord. But if you try sometime, you just might find, you get what you need. Oh yeah, and that's basically the whole song. That's basically the whole song, and you're just looking at that D at the end of the chorus. But all through the verses, all through the chorus, the entire time it's C F, C F, C F. When you get to that, and I tell you what, if anybody's followed any of my earlier videos and they're just starting to solo or whatever, this is a really good one, because this one is actually a C major. Okay, and that's the one that a lot of decent lead players have trouble with. You know, they're good at the minors and the rock and roll, this, that, and other, and they have a little bit of trouble with this. And also this is used a lot in country. Southern rock uses it. Leonard Skinner, almost all their leads are majors. But anyhow, this is going to be your C major scale, and you know, depending on where you start at, it's the same scale as the A minor. Okay, and I think I might have a C major video back there with the scale on it, and if I don't have one earlier with the scale, look under the lessons in the play section, wherever it is up there. Look for the lessons, and I put them all in one thing, so you don't have to go through and look for them. But if you don't see one that says C major, do the one that says A minor. Okay, if it does, it's C major or A minor. It's the same thing. The only difference is when you do a lead, you're concentrating here, like so and so. And when you're doing the C, though, it's in different spots. You know, your C note, where your home is. So you'll be concentrating more on stuff like that than stuff like that. But anyhow, it's called the relative major of the A minor. And I don't want to beat a horse to death, so. I got major. Start off with the scale. And that's in that region right there. And behind it, further up the neck in this position. The middle, kind of in the middle position here. Of course, you're starting back over here. Same thing. Anything in that region, but that's your box. I showed you a couple of spots, you know, you can do. Just, you know, pick you out some stuff. I'm not playing anything that belongs in there. I'm just showing you how you can use the C major scale. You know, like.